Hello everyone, this is Saravanan Tyagarajan. I am the founder and CEO of JustApp.one. Friends, in this video, I am going to explain what is JustApp.one, why do you need JustApp.one, and how you can create your digital portfolio using JustApp.one. Let's get into the video. JustApp.one is an all-in-one digital portfolio platform where you can create your own digital portfolio with the help of single link. So in a simple way, JustApp.one is nothing but one short link for all your business needs. Yes, you can get real-time tracking, you will get analytics dashboard, you will have a lead generation option over here. In a simple way, JustApp is nothing but a micro website with a lead generation platform. That's how we plan, and that's how JustApp.one works. Let me show you the demo of JustApp.one. Let's say if you are trying to create your digital portfolio using JustApp.one, this is how it's going to be. It's JustApp.one/ID app and / followed by your phone number. This is how your JustApp.one card will look like. So we have divided this JustApp.one into 4 simple steps. The first part is completely going to be your digital card. Yes. So here you can add your customized banner. You can design your banner according to your own needs, and you can upload it from the backend. You can have your profile picture here. You can add your name, your designation, your contact number, your WhatsApp number. Let's say when someone is going to click this WhatsApp link, you will be directly redirected to WhatsApp. And you can also add your email ID, your website, your location, more importantly, payments. Friends, if you're watching this from India, so this is for you. If someone clicks this payment option, you can integrate your Paytm and UPI over here, or else you can also add your bank account along with this. Friends, if some of you are watching from abroad, we are going to integrate PayPal along with this in upcoming weeks. So it's going to be a global platform for all your business needs. So this is the first page. You can also attach your social media links over here. And this is the first part of JustApp.one. And here comes the second part. If you click this icon, it will take you to the second part. Here you can add about us, about your company, or about your personal brand. We also gave you the option to add your gallery images. So you can add as much as images you want. And more importantly, we also gave you the option to embed your videos. Let's say you have to upload that video into YouTube or Vimeo. You can directly embed that videos here. So it's going to be the about us page, gallery option, and videos page. This is the second part of JustApp.one. And here comes the third part. It is the more interesting part and the core USP of JustApp.one. Let me click over here. It's nothing but a lead generation option. Friends, you can add what are the services you are providing over here. Let's say you are sharing this card to some of your leads or prospects. Okay, when someone is coming to this third page of your JustApp.one, they can do the inquiry here. Let's say if someone is seeing my card and clicking this inquiry button, a dialog box will appear. So it will ask for the name and email ID. Let's say here I am giving like Sharav and my mobile number as 8220254450. Your customer can inquire the services from here. If they click add inquiry, you will get the data in backend. If they scan this QR code, they can also save your contact number also. Okay, so this is the services part. You can add as much as services you want. And this is the third phase. And here comes the fourth phase of JustApp.one. It's nothing but you can share this digital portfolio to your friends, your well-wishers, your leads, or your prospects. All right. So it's completely, this fourth page is completely for sharing your card via email, text, QR code, and other options. So we will be upgrading this too. So this is how your JustApp.one will looks like. So as of now, it's going to be like, the URL is going to be like JustApp.one/ID app followed by your phone number. Okay. In future, you can integrate your subdomain with this. You can also check out our website. This is how your card is going to be. So this is the first part. This is why you need JustTap. If you are using this JustTap.1, you can easily accumulate all your portfolio into this single link. All right. This is why you need this JustTap. And more importantly, let me show you how to create your digital portfolio using JustTap.1. Go to our website, JustTap.1. Here there is an option called create a link. Click here. There will be a sign up option. Click the sign up button. Give your full name. For me, I am going to create a card for my agency. All right. You can create card for your business as well as for your personal brand. Right now, I am going to create card for my digital marketing agency. So DigiMonk Agency is my agency's name. And the email ID is going to be saravanan@digimonk.agency. And phone number. This is going to be my phone number. Password. Let me give my password and click confirm password. It will ask you to re-enter your password. Friends, before creating your account, we also gave our terms and services and privacy policy. You can also read this if you want to know what our terms and services are. So after reading this, click this checkbox and click create account. So it's showing like contact number already exists. Not a problem. I will give. And one more thing is you can create only one card using a single contact number. I already used this number to create an other account. Let me use my other account here. Let me use my other mail ID here. It's going to be digimonkgroup@gmail.com. Click create account. And friends, now your profile is created successfully. So here you got a dialog box, pop-up option. So after creating your account, you have to log in. All right. So digimonkgroup@gmail.com. This is the email ID which I used while creating my account. And I am going to enter my password over here. Just click sign in after creating account. So you will be taken to our pricing page. Folks, these are the pricing options. So you can use this JustTap for free for the next 3 days. So we are giving you the 3 days free trial. After once this 3 days ends, so we have two pricing options. One pricing option is going to be 199 rupees per month. It's going to be Indian rupees. Soon we will convert it into dollars. So as of now, we are taking this across India. So it's going to be 199 rupees per month. If you are going to choose early plan, you have to pay like 199 into 12 in a single shot. All right. But friends, if you need this JustTap.1 in a single shot where you can get it for lifetime access for free, you can pay 4,500 in a single shot. Okay. And you can get JustTap.1 free for rest of your life. So you can choose the best option. We mostly suggest this lifetime access because after some time we will definitely increase this price because JustTap.1 is powered by cloud. So it's running on cloud. So it's going to be costly. So we are giving this offer only for the first 100 users. So after we reach our first 100 users, we are definitely going to increase our price. All right. So we suggest you to go for this price. But before going to our paid plans, I really wanted you to explore this 3 days free trial. Let me click this activate option. If you want to explore our free trial, just click this activate button so that your card will be activated. So this is how your dashboard looks like. So this is the dashboard panel. And you can get our real-time analytics in the third page, like services page. When someone inquire for your services, it will be given here as leads. And when someone shares your card, you can also see the number of people who shared your card. And this is going to be your URL. Okay. As I said to you before, it's going to be like justapp.1/id app followed by your phone number. This is going to be your digital portfolio URL. So you can click the dashboard over here, profile view. As I said to you before, you can customize your profile according to your own needs. Let me edit the profile. Click this edit profile option. So it's asking me to upload my profile pics and other details. Let me upload it over here. We have also given you the size and MB, right? Your image should be less than 5 MB for a better performance. Your image pixel size for profile image is 300 into 300 pixel. So just click this X mark and upload your profile pic here. Let me upload my company logo. It's going to be Digimonk Agency. Okay, and cover image. Let me choose my cover image here. And this is my banner. Let me upload my banner over here. Yes. So I have uploaded my profile pic as well as the banner here and Digimonk Agency. So Digimonk Agency is the first name and last name, and business name is also going to be the same. Since I am creating this for my company, I'm doing this designation. It's going to be founder and CEO. I already have my numbers over here. So this is the contact number field, and this is the WhatsApp number field. If you have different WhatsApp number, you can obviously give it over here. And website, it's going to be www.digimonk.agency. And let's say if you have a Google Map link, Google Map location, you can also paste it over here. You can add your social media links. You can add your Instagram links. Let me add that in a while. I have added my Facebook page URL, my Instagram page URL. So please add all those URLs. If you're also on Clubhouse, you can share that too over here. We gave this option here. So you can also integrate your Paytm. If you're from India, you can integrate your Paytm number, your UPI. Let me embed by UPI here. And bank account name. If you want to add, you can add that. On photo gallery, in this photo gallery, you can add your services, right? So since I'm doing this for a demo purpose, I just add my logo or a banner. I added my banner here. You can add as much as photo you want. So I added my banner as well as my logo. YouTube link, you can also click your YouTube link, your description. Let me go to my agency website. Let me copy my about us contact and put it over here. So this is our description, and you can add your services too. So it's social media marketing. I think you must need a banner for that. So friends, whenever you are doing this, you need to add that social media marketing, ad services, search engine optimization, which is nothing but SEO. And click it here. Let me find the icon. Yes. Marketing automation. Let me put like website development. I'm just adding my few services. So these are the 3 services which I added now. And I almost added all of the services, right? You can also add your YouTube link. Moreover, once you completed all these details, click this submit option. Then only your data will be on live. As I said you before, this is going to be a URL. Copy this URL, open a new tab, and paste it. And yes, this is how your JustTab.one digital portfolio looks like. So if you have any problem while creating your card, if those images and banners are not loading, please let us know via support section. Our team will assist you to fix this issue soon. So we have almost created everything. Your banner and your profile picture will be live after 10 minutes. All right. It may take up to 10 minutes to reflect here. So I have added a couple of details here. So this is about us. This is the gallery. These images I just did for the demo purpose, guys. So you can add it properly. So here I gave like social media marketing, search engine optimization, and website development. Let's say if any of my prospects looking at this JustTab.one and click inquiry, it will ask for a name, right? Sharav. And it will ask for my mobile number also. Just click add inquiry. Okay. When someone submitted this data, you will get your login details. How to log into JustTab.one? Just go to our website. Once you created account, click this icon, enter the registered email address and your password. Click sign in. This is your backend. Now you can exactly see how many people saw your card, the number of leads. So 2 minutes before only we did this one, right? So Sarav, mobile number, name, mobile number, and which services they inquired for. Within this dashboard, you can get all the details of how your card works, how many people saw your card, how many leads you generated, and how many people shared your card. So this is going to be the one of the superpower platform for your business. All right. I hope this is the demo of JustTab.one. I hope this will be a great platform to take your business to next level. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment below this video or reach out to JustTab.one and chat via the support section. Our team will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.